Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this guide, we will show you how you can reduce the size of recorded videos on your iPhone and as a result, make longer videos on your device before running out of storage. With this guide, you will essentially be able to record more and have videos of smaller size, which will be easier to upload and share with others. Start by launching the Settings app on your iPhone. Here, find and tap on the camera option. On the next page, find and tap on the Record Video option. This will give you access to a variety of video related settings. Here you will see multiple options ranging from 720p all the way up to 4K at 120 fps. Recording videos in 4K is cool as they feature high quality and resolution. However, the issue with these files is that they are quite large in size. For example, a 1-minute video shot at 4K at 30 fps is around 150 MB, while a 1-minute video shot at 1080p HD at 30 fps is just 65 MB. This is a big difference, and changing this setting can go a long way in allowing you to record more videos and save on disk space. Here we recommend that you select 1080p HD 30 fps option as this will be good enough for home videos and social media content. However, if you want your videos to run smoother, you can go for the 1080 HD at 60 fps option. In iOS 26 or later, you can also change this setting quickly right from the camera app. Just launch the camera app and switch to the video recording mode. Then tap on the resolution and FPS buttons from the top and select your desired resolution. Again, here select HD from resolution and 30 from frame rate for best results. That's it. This is how you can change video recording settings on your iPhone and record more videos with less storage. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.